Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 face serums in India. Now I must have tried more than 30 or 40 face serums on my YouTube channel, like in all of my videos combined. And off camera तो मैंने और ज़्यादा try किए serums, like 50-60 तो easily try किए होंगे. And most of them did not even make it to my YouTube channel because they were just not good enough. And from all of the face serums that I've tried and I've used on camera, these are the 5 face serums that actually stand out for me. So you know how good they actually are. And the best part is that they're all from Indian brands. So yeah, if you want to know my top 5 face serums in India, then please keep on watching. The first one that I absolutely love is by Charmis. This is their Deep Radiance Vitamin C Serum. This is a 3-in-1 serum. It contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. Vitamin C adds a glow to the skin, it repairs the skin, it helps in reversing sun damage. Hyaluronic acid helps to keep your skin hydrated, it helps to retain moisture on your skin, and salicylic acid helps to deal with acne and pimples. So overall, this is like a 3-in-1 product for me, helps to solve all of my skin problems all at once. And this is a face serum that I love to carry, especially while traveling, because I don't need 3 separate products. This does the job of all of those 3 products for me. So this is a very multi-purpose serum. It's got multi benefits, and yeah, it's a great serum overall. It is a little bit oily, like the slightest bit oily if I compare it to the other serums that I have on the list, but it's manageable. Like you can easily like apply some compact powder and get done with it, or just apply some matte moisturizer or a matte sunscreen and tackle the oiliness. But apart from that, it's lightweight and it works really well for my skin. Now this retails for rupees 210 only, which is the best part. The second serum on my list is by Chemist at Play, and this is their Acne Control Face Serum, which contains 10% of azelaic acid and 10% of niacinamide. Firstly, I absolutely love the packaging of this. I love it so much I did not throw it away. So azelaic acid helps to deal with acne. It helps to get rid of acne fast, whereas niacinamide helps to deal with acne marks. So if you have acne prone skin, if you have any active acne, your acne and your acne marks are going to go away together with the help of this serum. So it's a 2-in-1 serum, which I absolutely love. I don't have to use 2 separate serums for my acne issues. Just one serum is going to do all of the job for me. This retails for rupees 599, which is a good price point considering it does the job of 2 face serums for you. Moreover, it's very lightweight, it's non-oily, non-sticky. You won't even feel like you have anything on your skin if you apply this. It's got that kind of a consistency, so I absolutely love that. The third serum on my list is this Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Serum. Now this contains Himalayan thermal water and hyaluronic acid, and it promises to give you 72 hours worth of hydration. I don't know about 72 hours, but it does give you very long lasting hydration. It does make your skin feel hydrated for a really long time. I love how cool this looks. I love the blue color of the bottle, and I love those tiny little bubbles, or I don't know what to call them. I absolutely love how they look like. So this face serum, when you apply it, it applies in the form of a serum and then disappears into your skin just like water. It's that lightweight and you won't even notice you have anything on your skin if you apply this. At the same time, it's going to help to deal with dryness. At the same time, it's going to help to calm down the dehydration on your skin and make your skin instantly really hydrated. And this is one of those serums that does not break you out because it's so lightweight, it doesn't really clog your pores. So if you have dehydrated skin, you can use this face serum, and you can use it multiple times a day, like every single time after you wash your face, even with water. You can use this to get your skin hydrated, to give it that boost of hydration, and you're instantly going to feel fresh with the help of this. However, I do recommend you top it off with a moisturizer because it's a face serum. It's only going to solve the problem of hydration a little bit, and it contains hyaluronic acid, so it needs a little bit of moisture to retain. So you need to go in with a moisturizer after using this face serum. I don't know about the price, it's not mentioned on this bottle, but I'm gonna leave it listed in the description box below along with all of the purchase links, so you can check it out. I also have a coupon code for Mamaearth which is gonna be listed in the description box below, so you can check that out too. Next up, moving on to everyone's favorite face serum, that is a vitamin C face serum. Now I've used multiple brand vitamin C face serums, but these two really stand out for me. The first one is the Derma 20% Vitamin C Face Serum, and the second one is Wow Vitamin C Face Serum, which is an oil-free face serum. So both of these contain 20% of vitamin C along with 1% of ferulic acid, and the Derma one also contains hyaluronic acid along with the other ingredients. I love the fact that they have disclosed the percentage of vitamin C, unlike some of the other brands that do not do that. These are very stable forms of vitamin C. They are very safe to use on the skin, and they do not have any side effects on my skin. They did not irritate my skin or anything like that. I have used a lot of vitamin C serums from a lot of brands, and some of them, I'm not going to name them, but some of them have broken me out, have caused skin irritation and redness on my skin, but these are very safe for my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and yet they are very safe for my skin. They did not have any side effects. So they are good vitamin C serums, stable forms of vitamin C, and they do the job. They actually, enhance the glow of your skin. So yeah, if you are looking for good vitamin C serums, you can definitely try them out. I like to use them mainly in my nighttime skincare regime, and sometimes I also use them before putting on makeup. Like if I am not wearing any base makeup and I still want my skin to look good, I use vitamin C serums in my skincare right before putting on makeup, and that really helps. So the Wow Vitamin C Serum retails for 899 rupees, and Derma Vitamin C Serum also retails for 899 rupees. I have coupon codes for both of these, so you can check them out in the description box below. And the fifth and the last face serum on my list is my favorite one. This has literally changed my skincare game completely and transformed my skin, I would call it. So this is the Derma 10% Niacinamide Face Serum. This contains 10% of niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, which helps to clear out your complexion. It helps to fade away discoloration, be it sun tanning, acne marks, dark spots, any sort of pigmentation that you have. It helps to clear out that. It helps to even out your skin tone, and it helps to improve your complexion. It also adds to the glow on your skin, and along with niacinamide, this also contains zinc, which helps with the appearance of your pores, which helps to control excessive sebum production. So your acne is also like in check with the help of this serum. I had a lot of acne marks, a lot of like dark red acne marks all over my cheeks, and also a little bit here and there on my face, but this literally took care of it, literally cleared out all of my acne marks. And even today when I get acne, I make it a point to use this serum, and it helps to get rid of the acne marks really fast. So if you have the problem of acne, or in general if you have uneven skin tone, use this. It's gonna clear out your complexion, it's gonna even out your skin, and it's gonna make your skin glow so much. So yeah, those are my top 5 face serums which I absolutely love, which I absolutely enjoy using, which suit my skin so much and actually work wonders for my skin. I highly recommend you check them out. The links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below, along with the prices, along with all of the coupon codes that I might have. Everything is given below, so check out the description box. And in case if you have tried any of these serums, do let me know how they work out for you. And also if you have any holy grail face serum that works out really well for you, I would also love to try it out. So leave the name in the comment section below, and yeah, let's try each other's favorite products out. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video and if you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.